This is a little walkthrough of the interior of the U24IB, and this is from the back of bedroom looking forward. You can see the seats on either side, and you can see that there's mounting brackets there for a table to go in between those two seats, and of course those seats swivel in the front. So we're going to walk forward here, and then we're going to take a look at the kitchen area and the cupboards, all locking cupboards, lots of storage space. And this is the kitchen area. We have a stove here, gas stove, and a nice sink. And there's, of course, cupboards underneath. There's a pull-out spice rack there that's for storage. And then, of course, you can see the back bedroom from here, and the microwave convection oven, and the freezer refrigerator three-way, which works great. We're going to walk back to the back again, and you can see it's a queen bed with walk around on either side, and we've got wardrobe closets on both sides, plus closets, space, storage space all the way across. And underneath there's a pass-through storage space at the rear of the coach, which is really great. And then we're going to walk right around here and take a look in the bathroom. And you can see the sink and the toilet with a sliding door. And over here we have a door that opens and locks there for the privacy, and you have a full shower. I'm 6'3" and I have no problem getting in the shower. Soap dispensers, etc. Works great. And of course we have TV in the back, and we have a pull-out TV up front. And again, we're back looking at the front. The coach is in excellent condition. We bought it with 38,000 miles on it. We put about 5,000 miles on it. And due to some health issues and challenges, we're just not able to make this work for us. So there you go.